This is one of that borage family, wild one of Bangalore area. I recently did videos of this plant in the wild location also. And this one, it is related to that Plectanthus and all. Exact species name I yet to get full confirmation. And it has all the features of that borage family. That is, little bit succulent leaves with aromatic, a little bit bad smell. Not particularly pleasant smell, but herbal, little bit fetid smell is there, and it is hairy also. It's a small plant. Takes a bushy kind of formation. For example, here these branches have actually, it was planted here along with some other plants. Then those long branches come out like this, and then flowers are happening. And then these, it can be propagated also by taking cuttings from some of the stems, like all the other borages, like many of the borages, not all. It is amenable to cuttings and all. And from seeds also it comes on its own. At least in our garden, it has new seedlings were born from that seeds naturally in all the surrounding places surrounding here. So this is a little bit about growing this borage. It just you shouldn't overwater it. It will die if you water more. So you can just neglect it and put one or two other plants in the same pot to mop up extra moisture, because periodically if it rains and all, too much waterlogging happens, it will rot. And so for that, some other plants can be planted, something that grows taller, and because this one doesn't have much roots and all. Rooting structure is quite weak, and so it doesn't need much soil. Some dry sandy type of substrate if you give, it is best. Like here, it is just a sand. You can see just some sandy gravel kind of soil. That's enough for it. And water shouldn't. You don't use clay soil because it doesn't like water logging, and so sandy soil where if you water, it will immediately water will flow out after leaving some little bit light moisture behind it.